Hello guys, let me introduce myself. First, my name is Marcel Kusumajaya from 12th grade DKV2 in Setiabakti Vocational High School. Now I want to tell you about my experience in DKV. First, I study Visual Communication Design or DKV in Setiabakti Vocational High School. It was a ga- it was a great experience that helped me to develop my creativity. Um, One first day, I was excited but little bit nervous in the school. I meet many friends who share the same interests. Our teachers introduce to basic of design. We learn about color theory and how to use colors effectively. One of my favorite subjects was graphic design. We use software like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and many more. At first, it was difficult to understand all about tools, but with practice, I become more comfortable using them. We also learn about typography uh, and font. Choosing the right font is important for a good design. Another interesting topic was branding and logo design. We had to create logo for imagery companies. I enjoy sketching my idea before designing them digitally. We study the practice of design like balance and contrast. Photography was another subject in the cafe. Yeah, I like to. We practice taking photo with different angle and lighting. Editing photos was fun but also challenging. We create poster for school event. Some our project were displayed in the school hall. It felt it felt great to see my work packaging or product. My team create a unique packaging for a snack. Yeah, like packaging for snack product. Animation was another acting in part of the cafe. We made short animation using Adobe After Effects, Adobe Flash. It took hours to create a few seconds of animation. I learned to be a patient and detail oriented. Illustration was one of my biggest interests. I practiced drawing digitally using graphic tablet. We had a assessment to illustrate a children book, children characters and story. Was amazing experience. Motion graphic was also part of curriculum. We worked on video editing project as well. I improved my skill in using Adobe Premiere Pro. There were many group projects in the cafe. Working with a team helped me learn about collaboration. Sometimes we had different ideas and had to compromise. It participate in a school design competition. The same was save the environment. I designed a poster to raise awareness, awareness about pollution. I did win, but I learned a lot from experience. One of most difficult tasks was designing a magazine layout. We had to arrange text, image, a graphic, and attractive way. I spent my I spent many hours perfecting the design. My classmates, I often help each other. We gave feedback and share tips on improving our design. Our teacher encouraged us to think outside the box. He often said, design is about solving problems. We visit a printing company to learn about the product process. Seeing our design print was a satisfying moment. We learned how to design engine content from Instagram. I enjoyed making animation social media posts. We also learned about advertising and marketing strategy. Understanding target audience helped me create better design. One of my biggest challenge was meeting deadline. I had to manage my time effic- effectively to complete projects. We had a workshop with a professional graphic designer. He shared valuable insight about the industry. I realized to creativity alone is not enough. Discipline is also important. Our school held an art and design exhibition. Each student displayed their best work. I was proud to see my design being appreciated. We also learned about UX design mobile app interface was very interesting. Wireframing and prototype were essential steps. I enjoy creating user-friendly design. We had a project to redesign website. My team focused on making it more modern and accessible. I learned about copyright and importance of originality. Each teacher always remind us to leverage. Creating my own unique design become a habit. I start following famous designer for inspiration. Dribble and Behance become my favorite website. We practice making infographics. Presenting information visually and is important skill. I learned how to use grid layout effectively. Some projects require us to draw many manual first. Sketching helped me to develop ideas before going digital. One time I had to design a restaurant menu. Choosing the right font and colors was crucial. We also explored 3D design using Blender. It was difficult at first, but I enjoyed learning it. Our final project was creating a complete branding identity. We had to design a logo, business card, and packaging. It was a long process, but was happy with the result. I learned that feedback is essential for important improvements. Presenting my work in front of the class made me more confident. My teachers were always support my GAF construction critics. I made many mistakes, but I learned from them. I realized that very design has a purpose. Design is not just about making things look good. It was communication and storytelling. During my internship, I worked at design agency. I experienced real world project and client interaction. The work environment was different from school. Deadline was tight and expectation were higher. I improved my skill and uh, I improved my skill in handling client requests. I learned how to expect critique professionally. Seeing my design used by real business was fulfilling. I started taking freelance design job for extra experience. I create logo, social media posts for small business. Balancing school and freelance work was challenging, me more but it made me more responsible and disciplined. The cafe taught me the important visual identity. Every brand has a unique personality reflect its design. I develop interest in motion design. I follow online tutorials to improve my skill. Animation requires patience and attention to detail. I participated a poster design contest outside school. It was a great way to challenge myself. I made many connections to with other designers. Networking is important to design industry. The cafe gave me many unforgettable moments and experience. It was a more that just a subject. It became my passion. I realized I realized that design everywhere, from billboard to packaging, everything is design. I become more observant of visual element of around me. I enjoy analyzing advertisement and logo. If you graph- I feel grateful for choosing the cafe as my major. It helped me discover my true passion. I'm expect to continue my journey in design world. After graduation, I plan to purpose my career in graphic design or yeah, something like that. I want to work in creative agency of or start my own business. I also want to learn more about digital illustration. I have been drawing, practicing drawing every day to improve my skill. My dream is become a professional designer. I'm considering continue my studies design at university. Science and technology always change, to designer must keep up. I start following design trends and social media. I get inspiration from designer around the world. One of my biggest inspiration is Paula Scher. Her typography design are amazing and creative. I also admire David Carson's unique approach of the design. I want to develop my own design style. I believe originality is important to creative industry. The cafe has taught me how to think critically and creatively. It's also helped me build confidence in my arts abilities. Looking back, I'm proud of my progress in the cafe. Yeah, 3 years. I have improved a lot since my first day of school. I'm excited to see where my journey in design will take me. I hope to create design that makes positive impact. I want to work to inspire and communicate meaningful message. The skill I learned in the cafe will be useful in the future. I'm grateful for my teacher who guided me, taught me the journey. I appreciate my friends who support and collaborate with me. My time in Fashion School was unforgettable moment because of the cafe. I will continue to follow my passion for design and keep improving. So, uh, that's my story about the cafe. So, thank you guys. Wait, tatong diyan.